Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Didi. Today we'll be making some lobster mac and cheese. I already have a mac and cheese recipe on the channel, and the only difference with that and this is that today we're using lobsters. So here I have my lobsters cleaned. I took the head off and everything else off, and I cut them into two. Then I went ahead to season it with some salt and pepper. As always, full ingredients in the description box. Then I went ahead to fry my lobsters for about 2 to 3 minutes just to pre-cook it before it goes into the mac and cheese. So once it's pre-cooked, I am going to take the meat out and then boil the shells with some salt and prepare it for the elbow macaroni, just like this. And I'll leave it to cook on its own. Then I'm going to chop the lobster meat into little bite size and also set that aside. So once the macaroni is done cooking, please ignore the rotini that I have in there. I had some left over and I just decided to add it to my mac and cheese. I'm going to pick out the shells out of this and put it aside, and we will get started on our mac and cheese. I'm using salted butter today, so you won't see me add salt in this particular video. But if you're not using salted butter, salt is very necessary. Then I go in with my evaporated milk and more butter. I like my mac and cheese creamy, so I use more milk, more butter, more cheese. Then I'm adding an egg, which acts as a binding factor for my mac and cheese. So the egg, more cheese, mix, egg, more cheese, mix. Then I'm going to go ahead with the lobster. We are not using all the lobster. We put some aside for the top. So once I add in the lobster, we're going to stir it all in together, and I'm going to add in some black pepper. So some people like to use paprika, black pepper, or white pepper, whichever one you want is fine. And once all is, mixed and, well incorporated with each other, we're going to transfer it into the dish that it will be baked in. Then you top it with the rest of the lobster and more cheddar cheese. Look at how beautiful this looks. So this is going to go into our oven and bake at 350 degrees, which is 177, 180 degrees Celsius, until it looks like this. So yummy. Then I took the lobster shells and just decorated my mac and cheese to look presentable, So once it was ready, I served it to the girls, and here's one of my girls serving it just so you can see how good this mac and cheese looked. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next recipe video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.